What a gorgeous day. A lot to do today. But first, let's have breakfast. All ready for me? With my vitamin C and blood pressure tablets, garlic, green tea with a bit of chocolate, and GM finish those curtain for the kitchen. Yep, that's the one. I think they're nice. Let's eat. Just come from Dipolog. I had to buy some medication for Bella. She got the rush, but that's okay. She had that before and we just ran out of that particular medication. So anyway, but also I had to buy some more rivets to finish this area here. So we got the rivet now. So Gong will be finishing that. Also I bought some more seal. This is very good seal. I really recommend. It's excellent, good stuff. And I bought some latex paint for the wall here. Flat white and semi-gloss, same as the house, just white. So Gong just practically finish all that. What I'm asking to do when I come back, I saw he would finish everything, is to maybe put some timber at the top there, just hide it. Same thing here. And I will buy some aluminium metal stud for the ceiling, and we will make the ceiling and we will put the insulation. What do you want, guys? You want to give a hand? You sure? Oh, we heard a noise. What happened here? Oh, Mimi, what are you doing? Oh, you throw everything? What's happened? Maybe a rat in there or something, or a lizard? Huh? No? Where are you going? Nothing there, actually. Nothing. Good. They're supposed to help. Look at my drills. Mimi, so bad. Last bit on position. Okay, gone for lunch. So I'm gonna have lunch too. And then when he comes back, we'll finish this. Alright.
Yes, it's a dragon puppet. Dragon.
It's okay if it's a little bit at an angle.
Yes, that's right. Hungry friends, but only one big cookie. Timmy needs to share his cookie.
New gem creation.
Into 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3.
That's the hottest time of the day. It's about 2 p.m. Very, very hot, but it's not bad here actually. We did well have this open. It gives a bit of a breeze coming in. It's great. So it's not too hot here. Okay, this morning I went to buy a few things and I stopped by the automotive shop. They sell spare parts and stuff, and I bought my stuff for the oil change. I think tomorrow morning I'm going to that garage and get it done. The way the garage operates here is that you need to pay for the parts, you buy them or they buy for you, you have to give them the money, buy the parts, they go and buy them, and then you pay them for the labor. That's how it works here. So I had to buy the oil and the oil filter. Now another thing I probably forgot, I should do an air filter change. So I'm gonna see tomorrow when they do that. I'm gonna ask them to open the air filter and see how the thing look like. I'll take a photo. I'll probably just change myself. Shouldn't be a hard thing to do. So that's my plan. This is what JM prepared for Gong Gong. This is his merienda, tea break. Wow. He loves it. He's happy.
Yo.
No, you eat, my friend. You eat. It's all yours. After lunchtime, I don't eat much.
Why?
No, it's you don't eat too much. It's not healthy. So after lunch, I don't eat much. A little bit of oat with milk and honey. But that's it after. And chamomile tea. Chamomile herbs, very good. Calm you down and you can sleep better.
For me,
Yeah.
in the afternoon, tanduay.
You tanduay, yeah, no, but that's no good, mate. Tanduay, cigarette, you know, you're making your life short. No good. I'm not saying I'm gonna live forever, but I just give myself the most chance possible to live longer for my wife and my daughter. It's gonna be strong dog, huh? Some people have been asking, some subscriber. I'm sorry I haven't given him much answer, but it's not a German Shepherd. It's Filipino, yeah? Yeah. But it's gonna be good size. I hope. I don't know. We'll see.
Just that, always.
You're spoiling Lily.
No, what?
I don't know, maybe she doesn't quite like it. Oh yeah, she likes. Where's my man gone? Sky getting dark up there, very dark. It's been very hot and sunny today. It's been a beach day. But we need to work here, so it looks like all the facade of the carport is finished. That's a good thing. Tomorrow concentrate on the JM studio. So that room will be for JM. I appreciate I had so many comments on buy a new car or fix the old one. I really appreciate. It did help. We're still thinking. Um, eventually we'll have to get something better than what we have now. And I'll agree also on you people's comment that maybe I should fix this one for now. And then later on, when we got enough money, we finish the house, we got nothing to spend here, we may look at second-hand car, 20,000 K on the odometer. I think should be pretty reasonable. And this one's got 145 already. Ow, she bit me. So anyway, still thinking, but still gonna continue fixing this one for now. If something major happen, of course I'll have to buy something, but let's keep going with this one. So I'm gonna do an oil change tomorrow morning, and I'll see if I can find these other aircon people, get the aircon fixed, have a look at the rack and pinion steering gear, the alternator, all those little things. It's not gonna cost much to fix. So, and then I need to change the rear tires. That's not gonna be 1.2 million pesos. Very cheap. For now we're gonna do that. But most of you are right, we need to change it, but not now. She's always with me. She loves me. Oh, Bella, where is Daddy's shoes? Can you walk with that? Whoop! Too big, my love. Okay, that's it for today, so don't go away. Tomorrow we'll start very soon. Good morning. Gotta still keep working on this carport and more, much more. I'm gonna do some woodworking, but before that, yeah, I already had my breakfast. I need to take my car for an oil change and check a couple of things. Pardon?
Skim coat. This finish all.
Yeah, it's
And
good.
then put the timber.
Then after polish,
Yeah. Polish like this, brush.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Very good, yeah. Absolutely.
You have there one? No.
Only one.
Only one?
So it's all about skim coating now, but also we need to do something up there. Maybe put some timber and just cover it. The other thing is the gate. We need to make a new gate. My beautiful wife doing some gardening. And Typhoon always trying to climb here and there. Ah, my love. Le cirque du soleil. Let's go to the garage. Oil change here will cost you 500 peso. It's about $9 something. Just been told the oil is very bad. Yeah, that's my air filter. We're just gonna give a clean up. That's all. Yes. 3 bottles, not enough. Lucky they got some here. Yeah, that's how they have it. Anti-rust. Hold on. 3 bottles. It's pretty expensive, but 900 peso for the 3. Bracket of the aircon is broken. That's why it didn't have any tension on the pulley whatsoever. It was making funny noise. Even if you fix the aircon, we still have to fix that bracket. So, but I don't know. I hope I just have to regas it after that. I'm taking a gamble. You have to take all this off. That's gonna cost me a bit. It's so rusty. It's not funny. Okay, the bracket has been welded and fixed and everything's going back together. Here I can just refill the gas and it works, but I don't know. So the other mob cost me 11,600 to replace the unit and blah blah blah. I don't know. I'm gonna go and see the people. Last time we changed the radiator, and we'll ask him if he can regas it. See what he says. Or he can point me to a place where they can do that, and we can have a go. Okay, no more funny noise now. Here I can just put the gas and it should work. So we'll try that. Okay, I'm here now just buying the stuff for the ceiling of GM Studio. See how we go. If you're doing well, we'll do the same in our bedrooms. I will start with the Bella ceiling. Okay, let's go home. Yeah, first time we're gonna do a ceiling. If it goes well, we're gonna do our bedrooms. Still battling here, so but it's okay. It's looking good. We already had lunch. Sorry, we didn't show. A lot of burning taking place. Yeah, got all the rubbish around. Gong still skin coating. Okay, we'll do something there as well. Okay, see the woodwork we did here. We're gonna do the same around the door, and then we're gonna install a gate, just a gate for now. And they will open from here to here, so when you get out or in, you can't get in there. Anyway, we're gonna go block this for the kids somehow. Still a lot of work to do. Let's do that. Merienda for everybody. Bread and buko.
It's not buko, it's mango.
Oh, it's mango, is it?
Tapioca.
I don't know. Okay. It's beautiful still. That's it. No. No. Lily wants merienda too. No, she didn't.
She didn't lick?
She didn't lick it. My love. Bella also likes merienda. That's a Bella. Hello, my love. Okay, start polishing the skim coat. It's gonna have another little go some area just to improve. Okay, next time we'll build a gate and build the ceiling. So thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.